Hello children, we are continuing with Standard 9, Chapter 2, Polynomials. Let's begin with the next topic, that is value of a polynomial. Now, I have taken one example that is being flashed on your screen now. Let me take the polynomial in x as x square plus 2x minus 8. So, it's written that p of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. Now children, we are going to find out the value of this polynomial at 1. As we all know that x which is there in the given polynomial, it is a variable. It can take any value. Here we are going to consider x to be 1. So, it's written p of 1. That means you have to just substitute 1 in place of x. Here, the second statement reads as p of 1, as we have decided to put 1 in place of x. So, it becomes p of 1, which is equal to, in place of x square, it will become 1 square plus 2x, that is 2 multiplied by 1, because in place of x we have substituted it as 1, minus 8 remains as it is. So, wherever it was written x, we have substituted it as 1. Now, let's move to the third step. It is just mathematical. You have to just solve the right hand side. So, 1 square becomes 1. Then the second term, that is plus 2 multiplied by 1, becomes plus 2, minus 8 remains as it is. And now this is nothing but addition and subtraction of integers. You have been studying this right from 6th standard. So you know how to add or subtract integers. In this case, 1 plus 2 minus 8 gives you minus 5. So this is how we get the value of the polynomial here for p of 1 as minus 5. Let's take more examples. Now, the same example is there, the same polynomial is there, that is p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. Here we have substituted x as 2. That means we are finding the value of the given polynomial at x equal to 2. So, we have substituted it and we have got the right hand side as 2 square plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 8. You can just see that wherever it was x, now it is written as 2. Now, solve the right hand side. 2 square becomes 4, then 2 into 2 is 4, and then minus 8 as it is. When you solve it, you get a 0 in this case. So, children, there may be values wherein when you substitute the value in the given polynomial, you may get the answer as 0, or you may get it as some other number also. But we will say that the value of the given polynomial at x equal to 2 is equal to 0. Now, with this, we are moving towards the exercise, that is exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at. Now, children, 3 sub-questions are there. I have solved the very first, that is for x equal to 0. Now, we have to write p of x initially, and then for x equal to 0, that means you have to substitute x as 0. So, wherever you have x in the given polynomial, it's to be written as 0. So, now the right hand side, that is the polynomial, was 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So, now it has become as p of 0 equal to 5 multiplied by 0 minus 4 multiplied by 0 square plus 3. Solve it. It is simple mathematics and you get the solution as 3. So we can say that the value of the polynomial at x equal to 0 is nothing but 3. Similarly, you will be solving the next two sub-questions on your own. Question number 2. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the following polynomial. Now, in this case, the first sub-question is solved for you. The polynomial is in y. So, P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. And we have to find out the value of the given polynomial at y equal to 0, then y equal to 1 and then y equal to 2. One by one we will be solving it. So for P of 0, we are going to substitute y as 0. So just substitute, solve, you get P of 0 equal to 1. Now the next value is P of 1. So when you substitute y as 1, you get P of 1 equal to 1. All these things you can go through and you can solve it on your own also. The next is P of 2. So, wherever it is y, we have written it as 2. So, the second step, right hand side, it becomes 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Solve it mathematically. P of 2, that is the value of the polynomial at x equal to 2 is nothing but 3. Another sub question is solved for you. Here P of x is given as x minus 1 x plus 1. This is the fourth sub question. As we are told to find out P of 0, then P of 1 and P of 2, we have begun with P of 0. So, wherever it was x, now in the second step it has become 0. Then solve both the brackets separately, get the solution. First bracket gives you minus 1, the second bracket gives you 1. And when you finally multiply them, P of 0 becomes minus 1. This is how we are going to solve for P of 1. So, first bracket becomes 1 minus 1, second bracket becomes 1 plus 1. So, when you solve it mathematically, you get P of 1 equal to 0. Now, we have to find out P of 2. So, substitute x as 2 and solve. We get P of 2 equal to 3. Children, two more sub questions are there in the given question. You can try it on your own. We'll continue with the other questions in the next video. Thank you for now.